All right, we got the Black Friday tools section. Yes, this is not the gift center. That's another whole nother video we just did earlier this week. But this is the tool center. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got the buy more, save more. This is the Craftsman Versus Stack modular storage system. Spend 149 or more, save 50. Spend 148 or less, save 25. Spend 98 or less, save 10. So definitely the 149 is gonna get you the best deal. If you don't qualify for this, then just add something else, something's really small, and should be able to qualify for that big discount there. Same thing. These are actually buy more, save more as well. But this price for this 3-pack is 169. So it's killer deal on this one. And then for the bags, this is a 15-inch tool bag, $14.98. A 12-inch tool bag for $9.98, down from $14. Clearance is a workbench for $71, down from $119. I do think I like this one better than the DeWalt one. You got $26.98 for the Tough Roller stand. Sold out on that one, by the way. And then you got a compressor made in the USA with global materials. From the Craftsman's, $169, 6-gallon compressor. Alright, they still got these deals, guys, and now they got the new lower price. So $299 for the A2 combo kit there, and then that brushless for $129. I don't know if they're still doing the buy one get one free with that free battery still, but if they are, it's gonna be a killer deal. Drive mechanics tool set there. It's $38 on clearance. It's not a bad deal, guys. $59 and made in the USA with global materials. And then still got the buy one get one free from the Cobalt. So you buy any of the kits, get a free tool. Those are all the free tools that do qualify. And then all you have to do is just buy a starter kit. All right, so you got the corded and cordless air inflator 119. This is from the DeWalt's. It does have a high volume and a low volume, high pressure. You got the sander kit for $99. You got the Bluetooth job site speaker kit for $99, and then you got the task light for $99. So any of those, $99 with battery and charger. Definitely recommend these guys. There's a lot of good deals here, especially if you don't have this platform. Stock up on those batteries and tools. You got a 7-tool combo kit for $5.99. These are all brushless XR tools, and they do come with a nice bag rolling tool bag. Alright, you got this is for the mechanics, guys. This is the ratchet. It does come with 2 oil resistant batteries, and I did read on this one they are resistant on these power stacks. So definitely oil resistant on these. I know I said oil resistant on some other ones, but you know it wasn't. Alright, so $279 for this one. Is the high torque impact wrench DCF 900. This is one of the newer ones out there. Not the newest that's coming out. I believe there's one coming out, but it's the newest so far. You got a free buy one get one free. These are really good deals. These are all the tools that qualify for the free promo. You got a 5 amp hour battery. You got SDS rotary hammer, a 1/4 inch ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet, impact 3/8 impact wrench, 1/2 inch impact wrench, circular saw, oscillating multi tool, reciprocators. All those tools are really strong. So definitely recommend these, even for 12 volts. $199 impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, charger in a bag. That's what you have to buy there at the very bottom. I'll show you guys this in a second. These are all the tools that do qualify for the buy one get one free. That is the circular saw, and that's the impact driver and drill driver there at the bottom for the $199. That's the kit you have to buy. More DeWalt deals here, starting at $14.98. Some of these are a little bit more. So this one's $59.98 for the 2-pack of 12. $49.98 for the 2-pack of 10. A 40-piece screwdriver with the flex torque for $24.98. Then you got the oscillating blades, $49.98, and some 5-pack of grinding wheels and grinding wheels. So that is a 5-pack of grinding wheels there from the DeWalt's. And then we got the oscillating blades. And then we got the bits out there. You got 59 or 599 for that miter saw. I'm still waiting for the buy one get one free. Hopefully, Lowe's is gonna get that as well. You got the right angle attachment 3/8 square drive. I don't know if you guys were aware of that, but they did came out with the square drive, right angle square drive, not just the impact, the driver, the 3/8 driver. So the square drive is this one. This one is, by the difference is you can see a square at the end, and these two fit the sockets, the impact rated sockets or just the regular sockets. This is a 27 piece with the rapid load, really nice set, and then you got the 30 piece, 30 piece with the right angle adapter. All right, these are also ones. This one's a 179. Like I said, the box, the triple case modular storage system, impact driver, drill driver for 149, and then you got that big combo there for 249, which is a pretty good deal for 2 combo kit there. Reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, and a light for 249. All right, so and there is Skills running a deal as well. I believe you buy a tool, get a battery for free. They did not have this at this store, but I know they're having it as a Black Friday deal. These are actually pretty decent tools. These are all brushless tools. You got a rafter square here, very inexpensive Johnson. And then you got a 998 and a beam aluminum level for 24.98, down from 29. So pretty nice level. I really like the visibility on it. Nice and orange, very easy to see or spot around your tools or your toolbox. So pretty nice. All right, and then they got this 140 piece screwdriver bit set. It says $39.98 at the back. So my guess that's gonna be the price. This $44.98 is just before the Black Friday or the whatever they're gonna post. So lots of good deals on this one. However, I do think that the one that they sell at the depot, it's a little better, you know, because it's cheaper and it's a little better. But it just depends on what you want, because this one does have a lot of it does have the socket adapters there. So I don't know if the other one exactly has that or not. You can try the one that like this one, the DeWalt one. Same price at $39.98. And then you got these for $9.98. This is pretty good deals. You got a 47 piece and then a 14 piece. So lots of good deals on these. And then you got some more deals here on a 6-in-1, and then you got a torpedo level and a 6-in-1 for $7.98. And then you got the tape measure there, 16-footer, made in the USA. All right, you got some more bit sets here. Some nut drivers, socket adapters there to the right, and some 1-inch bits, 2-inch bits on the left. Some drilling bits there, 14 piece. So definitely jump on these guys. Make sure you guys shop early, because sometimes they do sell out. Not necessarily the smaller stuff, but the bigger stuff they do sell out. You got the circular saws, $229, and then $189 for the straight saw. Welding helmet kits for $112 from Clarence. That's not bad at all. You got the Flex 24-volt stick 3 amp hour battery. These batteries are really expensive, guys. If you buy them by yourself, make sure if you guys do buy them with the buy one get one free, or buy them with the tool, because they tend to be really pricey. As you guys do see, these prices are not cheap. So might as well get them on a deal. All right, so you got the buy one get one free. You buy the XR power tools and get one circular saw, reciprocating saw, and ultimate output battery. So definitely check it out. And they also do have some toolboxes, as you will call them. You got a 24 tool for $849. These are on sale there, guys. Definitely check it out. $6.99 for this 24 tool set there. And I do have to say tool, because YouTube would demonetize my channel. You got $10.49 for this tool, the bigger one. And then $129 for the impact driver and drill driver, Metabo HPT, 18 bolts. And then you got $99, your choice here, with this vacuum or the angle grinder. Definitely the vacuum is one of the ones people want, the most preferred there. So guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Just wanted to show you guys what was left. I'm still have to make another video from the Lowe's, because the store did not have all the deals. There's more coming up. More being still dropped at the store. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And you guys have a great weekend. See you guys in the next one.